is it a lip balm? Can we just talk about the aesthetic of this? This is so pretty. My hands feel like a dried up sponge. Oh my goodness, this one came out of nowhere. Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So today's video is a PR unboxing. This week was definitely a better week than last week, and in a couple weeks there's gonna be even more launches coming. I got some emails from brands that I'm really excited about, so stay tuned for those. But if you are brand new here, feel free to hit the subscribe button if you love beauty and new launches and all that fun stuff. If you love mommy and organization content, make sure to go check over at my Life of Maddie channel. I post over there about once a week, and I will have that link down below for you if you love that type of content as well. But anyways, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy these, and let's go ahead and get into it. Oh my goodness, this one came out of nowhere. We have a Skinceuticals product. And I love the little bag too. This is adorable. This would be like a great little skincare bag for, you know, when you have your little minis when you travel. This would be great for that. What did they send? Oh my goodness, they sent like a whole little kit. I'm gonna be a scientist here. Hello, skincare lover. We know you have high standards when it comes to taking care of your skin. We do too. That's why Skinceuticals vitamin C serums are extensively tested and clinically proven to help prevent future skin damage and correct signs of aging. Oh yeah. So basically you add in a little bit of water, you do some drops of the CE ferulic right here. You add 3 to 4 drops of iodine to it. Iodine represents the environmental aggressors that damage your skin throughout the day. The water remains clear despite the addition of iodine, demonstrating CE ferulic's ability to effectively prevent against oxidative damage. So basically this is a little science experiment where we can test to see how well this battles against environmental aggressors, which is super neat. You know what? We should do this on Instagram stories. I think this will be fun right now. And it would bring me back to chemistry class, big time. Thank you so much to Skinceuticals for sending this over. I cannot wait to try out this product. Okay, so next package is from Somerville, and I'm very, very excited about this because they hooked me up with 3 different cleansers here. I am so stoked to try these out right now. The first one that we have is the Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser. This is for acne, which is great. And then we have the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser, which this is for sensitive skin. I think I'm really gonna like this one. I love just moisturizing products that are simple but still hydrate my skin at the same time, and I think I'm really gonna enjoy this. And then the next one here is a Gentle Daily Wash, which is just a simple cleanser. So very stoked about this one as well. So I'm going to try these out, but I'm gonna try them out over a span of time because if I introduce too much to my skin, it will freak out. So I will keep you guys updated on each one after I tried it out for a while. Okay, so next package is from Liquid IV, and I love products like these because they help so much with your energy. Like, you don't realize how dehydrated you are until you drink one of these, because the spurt of energy that you get after it, it's like, whoa, where did this come from? And it really just, it's like a little pick-me-up throughout the day, but it's a lot better for you than a cup of coffee. But anyways, they sent over their hydration multiplier. So we have the lemon lime and passion fruit. Very excited to try these out. And then we have the sleep multiplier, which I actually didn't even know about. I'm gonna be trying this out tonight because I've been having a problem falling asleep. I fall down the rabbit hole of the news at night and I can't sleep and my mind goes a million different places, so I need all the help I can get right now. And then we have the energy multiplier, and this one is in lemon ginger. So gonna have to give that one a try because I haven't tried those ones yet, but very excited. Thank you so much to Liquid IV for sending these over. I'm telling you guys, try these out. You will feel such a difference afterwards. All right, so the next package is from Oprah Cosmetics here. And if you guys have not seen my Instagram stories, I was talking about how they are making hand sanitizer, which is amazing. So if you are having a hard time getting your hands on hand sanitizer, you need to go check out Oprah Cosmetics right now. You can also get a discount using my code Madison to save some money. But this is the big size of hand sanitizer they sell. It's 8 fluid ounces. And then they also have the mini right here, which is great to put in your purse or in your car. Awesome. Oprah is amazing for doing these. And we also have a hand cream because, as you know, our hands are extremely dry right now. We are washing them and hand sanitizing them like crazy, and it's just, my hands feel like a dried up sponge. So hand cream is a must. They also sent over their Precision Gel. This is their Fix Line eyeliner in black. It's a gel liner. And then they also sent over their liquid liner in Verified. And I really like this one because 1, it's matte, and 2, it's got a really nice tip to it. It's not a stiff tip. It goes with your movements and it makes it really easy to create a wing. So I love that. We also have a revitalizing clay mask for some spa night self-care routine. Then we have the playing cards that they sent over. Play some card games, maybe King's Cup or something. You can see if Joel wants to play with me at night. And then we have brush cleaner and disinfectant spray right here. This is awesome. It says spray on instruments and allow to soak for 10 minutes, rinse and dry tools after disinfecting. It's amazing. I can't wait to use that. We also have some Cleanse It Off wipes, which I love. And they sent over their Perfecting Puff. And then last but not least, they sent over their lip balm in Rose. And it's just a really nice little tint on your lips and is very moisturizing. This is another great product to leave in your bag at all times. So thank you so much to Oprah for thinking about me during this time. Again, if you guys are trying to hunt for hand sanitizer, it's still available on oprahcosmetics.com. So definitely check it out. I will have it linked down below for you guys. Okay, so next up is a sweet package from Pharmacy, and they sent me over a beautiful plant right here. This will be really fun to take care of with Riley and kind of teach her about the plant life cycle, I think. I think that would be a fun little lesson right now. But they sent over a new product and they, ooh, my allergies. They're coming at me right now. Who's getting hit by allergies? I am getting hit so hard. Joel's like, are you okay? I don't stop sneezing and I am itching and I am just not good right now. Like I feel like I'm starting to get sick, but I know it's allergies because the back of my throat and my nose are just itching like crazy. Oh, I can't take it. Anyways, so they sent over their Daily Greens oil-free gel moisturizer. Ooh, this sounds nice. This sounds really, really nice. I like gel moisturizers. Then they also sent over their Green Clean. This is their Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is great. It's a great smaller size for travel, even though we're not traveling right now, but this is so nice. Thank you so much for sending this over. I love it that I have one of these sizes. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my storage bin for when we do travel again. But very excited to try out the oil-free gel moisturizer. This is, oh, the packaging is so nice too. It's a nice glass packaging. And it says, meet our new skin quenching gel moisturizer for combination oily skin. This clean formula delivers lasting hydration and helps balance skin. Vegan, cruelty-free, silicone-free, alcohol-free, yes. Polyglutamic acid plus hyaluronic acid optimize skin hydration. Moringa and papaya reduce shine and clear pores, the same ingredients found in our best-selling Green Clean Cleansing Balm. Willow herb and niacinamide help control oil. For this product, what I would do is I would use it in the morning because my skin is combination and dry depending on how it's doing that day. So I'm definitely gonna use this in the morning before my makeup. I'll let you guys know how it works out for me, if it works out for my skin type or not, but I'm very excited to try it out. So thank you so much to Pharmacy for sending these over. All right, so next up, I got a package from Belaire. It's Sunnier Days Ahead. And they sent me a ton of Josie Maran products, which is really nice. I like Josie Maran. I believe that's how you say it. But anyways, they sent over the ultra hydrating whipped argan oil face butter, which sounds bomb. And then they sent over the Bare Naked wipes, remove makeup and cleanse skin gently. This is really good right here. This is the pure argan milk. This stuff is so good. We've actually had these in the Ipsy bags, and that's how I discovered it, was from one of the Ipsy employees. They told me, they're like, you gotta try this out. You would really love it. And I tried it out and I loved it. So I'm excited to have another one of those. We have the Argan Smoothing Skin Resurfacing Serum. And oh my goodness, they hooked me up with the Argan Sugar Balm Body Scrub, which is great to scrub the body, especially when I am self-tanning. So I'm very stoked about this. Thank you so much to Belaire. I hope I'm saying their name right, but this is the card that got sent over with it. So really stoked. I'm hooked up with Josie Maran, and I'm very excited to try out some of these products I haven't tried out yet before. So thank you so much. All right, so I just got a really cute package from Oprah Cosmetics, and I have a ring pop in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. The Chupa Chups. Is that how you say it? Oh, I remember these back in the day. We used to have so many of these. This is throwing me back to the ranch when we had like a huge party in one of the, like, it had a bunch of stalls in it. It was like a big steel barn. We had a huge party in there and there was like these everywhere. And I remember collecting a bunch of them. God, it's throwing me back. I had to been like maybe like 6 or 7 years old. But we have, oh, this is the Glitch 2000 palette. So this is a throwback one. Oh, I'm loving all these throwbacks. So we also have some heart stickers that I will save for Riley. We have some Pop Rocks. I think Joel would really like those. And then some Fun Dip. Wow, we are really, really going back now. They sent over their Flexi Slicks, which are, I always say Flexi Stick, but Flexi Slick. And these are really nice and moisturizing. We have Slip right here, and then Velour and Dash. So those are nice there. All right, so here is the Glitch palette. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Ooh, these are pretty. They're like all shimmers. How fun is that? And I love that they even have like the Glitch palette like back here. That is so neat. So let's swatch a couple. Ooh, look at this blue. Oh, that's fun. They're really, really creamy, especially because they're all that shimmer formula. Oh yeah. These are nice. Look at these. These are really fun. This actually reminds me of really like 80s right here with these two colors. They have a really pretty kind of light icy pink right there. These are nice. They are very easy to blend. They're creamy. I cannot wait to try these out. We need to just like have some fun to sit down and just play with like makeup again. I would love that extra time. But this is such a cool palette. And again, if you guys want to check any of these out, you can save money with my code Madison. I'll have it linked down below for you. All right, so next up is a package from Nails Inc. And they sent over Correct and Condition Duo. Ooh, wait. Basically, these are just like a bunch of products that have like an at-home like manicure and pedicure. Nails Inc. You're amazing. Thank you for these. We have Thirsty Hand, Super Hydrating Hand Mask. Same thing with the Deep Moisture Foot Mask right here. So that is awesome. And then we have their Correct and Condition Duo. So this is Prepare, File, and Correct with these handy correcting and conditioning pens. Oh my gosh. I've never seen these before. I want to see what this is. Oh, so we have Vitamin E Oil Pen and then the SOS Nail Pen. Oh, how nice. Oh, we're gonna have to use these and give myself a little manicure. I've actually been just waiting for my gel to grow out. I'm too lazy to sit there and have them soak. And then they sent over their Gel Rehab Damaged Nail Recovery. This is what I need. When this gel finally comes off, we are putting this on because this is what I need. So thank you, Nails Inc. for sending these over. That is such a great care package for during this time. All right, so next up is a package from Laura Mercier, and it looks like we have a new micellar water to try out, you guys. First off, look how gorgeous this bag is right here. I wonder if you could buy this. I'm gonna look on their website and see if you can. I'll have it linked down below. But they sent over their mattifying oil-free moisturizer. We have their refining cream polish. So this is skincare. Balancing foaming cleanser right here. And can we just talk about the aesthetic of this? This is so pretty. And then we have this, I'm very stoked to try out, the purifying micellar water. I love micellar water, so I'm very stoked to try this out. Ooh, is it a lip balm? Oh my God, we have a lip balm. I didn't even know they had this. That is so nice. I cannot wait. And then we have a illuminating eye cream. I don't think I've ever tried any skincare products other than the body butters, which I really love from Laura Mercier. So I'm very excited to try these out. I'll let you guys know how they work out for me. I probably am not gonna be able to use the mattifying oil-free moisturizer just because I think this will be too drying on my skin. But I'm very excited for these other ones right here. Like, I think these are gonna be really nice. So basically they sent over like little step-by-step instructions for cleansing, prepping, and targeted treatments. So thank you so much, Laura Mercier, for sending these over. I am so stoked to try out your skincare products. They look amazing. All right, so that is everything in this PR unboxing. If you're wondering what was in that package over there, you're gonna have to wait to find out on my Instagram in the next few weeks because it's a really fun launch and I can't wait to talk about it. It's more mommy stuff, so you guys will see that here in the next few weeks. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this PR unboxing. I hope it was like a nice little escape for you during this time. And I mean, we definitely got a mix of stuff. We've got like skincare, we have makeup, we have liquid IV, which is really exciting. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm wishing you guys all the best and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.